This repair tape provides a wide 12-inch band of coverage that is ideal for sealing long seams and damaged areas on recreational vehicle roofs, metal buildings, and other large surfaces. Its MicroSealant adhesive forms a continuous waterproof and airtight barrier that does not need an extra coating or caulk to stay effective. The tape bonds reliably to many common roofing and construction materials, including rubber membranes, aluminum, galvanized steel, wood, and fiberglass, which makes it very versatile to keep on hand. A thick, durable backing gives the tape strong resistance to abrasion and corrosion, so patches hold up well under regular foot traffic and harsh weather. The white, ultraviolet stable surface helps prevent cracking and deterioration from direct sunlight, making it especially well suited for exposed rooftop repairs. Installation is straightforward because the tape is applied in a single step without messy primers or solvents, yet it still adheres tenaciously when surfaces are cleaned and pressed firmly.